Hello, and welcome to the Daily English Boost. Get ready to learn and grow with fun, easy, and quick lessons.
You know what's funny, Kate? Every single day, people talk about the weather. Every single day.
Oh my God, yes. How's the weather today? It's so cold. It's too hot, right?
Exactly. But here's the thing. Why do we talk about the weather so much?
I never thought about that.
Me neither. Until today. So today, Kate and I are going to talk about the weather, but not in a boring way.
No. We're going to talk about it like real people, real conversations, real life.
And if you're learning English, this is perfect for you. Because talking about the weather is probably the easiest way to start a conversation in English.
It really is. So, hey, welcome back to the podcast, everyone. I'm Kate.
And I'm Martin, and we're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes. And before we start, Martin, can I just say, it is so cold outside today.
I know, I was freezing this morning. I went outside and I was like, no, going back inside.
Ha! See? We're already doing it. We're already talking about the weather.
Exactly, and that's what we do all the time. So if you're enjoying this already, do us a favor. Hit that like button. It really helps us.
Yeah, and subscribe if you haven't yet. We make these podcasts every day to help you learn English in a fun, natural way.
All right, Kate, so let's get into it. Why do people talk about the weather so much?
I think it's because it's easy.
Easy?
Yeah. Think about it, Martin. When you meet someone, a neighbor, a coworker, even a stranger at the bus stop, you can't just say nothing, right?
Right.
But you also don't want to ask something too personal. Like, hey, how's your family? That's weird if you don't know them.
Oh, totally weird.
So instead, you say, nice weather today, huh?
So it's like a safe topic.
Exactly. It's safe. Everyone can talk about it, and it's not awkward.
That makes so much sense, Kate. Because I do this all the time. I'll be in the elevator with someone and I'll just say, cold day, isn't it?
Yes. And then they say, yeah, so cold. And then you both smile and everything's fine.
It's like a little social rule. Talk about the weather and you're good.
Exactly. It's a conversation starter. It breaks the ice.
Who breaks the ice? I like that phrase.
Yeah. It means you make the situation less uncomfortable. You start talking.
Nice. Okay, so Kate, let me ask you this. What's your favorite type of weather?
Ooh, good question. I think I like sunny days. Not too hot, not too cold. Just perfect.
Yeah, that's nice. I love sunny days too. But you know what? I also like rainy days.
Really? Rainy days?
Yeah, I know it sounds strange, but I like staying inside when it's raining. Drinking tea, reading a book, just relaxing.
Okay. I can see that. It's cozy.
Exactly. Cozy, that's the word. Rain makes everything feel cozy.
But Martin, let me ask you, do you like going outside in the rain?
No way. I hate getting wet.
Ha! So you like rain, but only when you're inside.
Yes, exactly. That's the key.
Fair enough. I get it. I'm the same with snow.
You like snow.
I love looking at snow. It's so beautiful. Everything looks clean and white. But do I want to walk in it? No.
Ha, yes. Snow is pretty, but it's cold and slippery.
So slippery. I almost fell last winter.
Oh no, were you okay?
Yeah, I was fine, but it was scary. I was walking to work and whoops, my foot just slipped.
That's the worst. And your heart just stops for a second.
Yes, exactly. So now I'm very careful when it snows.
Smart. Very smart. Okay, so Kate, let's talk about expressions because in English we have so many ways to talk about the weather.
Oh, yeah, tons of ways.
Right. So let's start with a simple one. If it's sunny, what can you say?
You can say, it's a beautiful day.
Yes, or the weather is nice today.
Ooh, or it's gorgeous outside.
I love that. Gorgeous. That's a great word. What about when it's cold?
You can say, it's freezing.
Yeah. Or it's so cold outside.
Or you can say, I'm freezing. That's about you, not the weather.
Good point, Kate. And what about when it's hot?
It's boiling.
Yes. It's boiling. I use that all the time in summer.
Or, it's so hot today.
Right. And if it's really, really hot, you can say, it's burning up out there.
Oh, I like that. Burning up. Very dramatic.
Ha. Yeah, okay. What about rain? What do we say?
You can say, it's pouring.
Yes. It's pouring. That means it's raining a lot.
Or, it's raining cats and dogs.
Oh, that's a funny one.
It is. I remember learning that phrase. I was so confused. I was like, cats and dogs from the sky.
Ha. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. But it just means it's raining really hard.
Exactly. And if it's raining just a little, you can say, it's drizzling.
Ooh, good one, Kate. Drizzling. That's light rain.
Yeah, like tiny drops, not heavy.
Perfect. Okay, so Kate, let's think about this. How do we use weather talk in real life?
Well, like we said, it's a conversation starter.
Right. But where? Give me an example.
Okay, so imagine you're at work. You walk into the office and you see your coworker.
Yeah.
You say, "Good morning. Crazy weather today, huh?"
And they say, yeah, it's so windy.
And then you both laugh and go to your desks. Easy.
Easy conversation. No stress.
Exactly. Or imagine you're at a bus stop. You're waiting with someone you don't know.
Okay.
You can say, "Cold day, isn't it?"
And they say, yeah, really cold.
And then you wait together. It's not awkward anymore.
I love that. It makes waiting more comfortable.
Yes, weather talk is like a little tool. You use it to connect with people.
That's so true, Kate. And here's the thing. It works everywhere. In every country.
Oh, yeah, everywhere. People always talk about the weather.
Even in small talk at parties.
Totally. You meet someone new and you say, "Nice weather we're having."
And then you move to other topics.
Exactly. The weather is just the beginning.
Okay, Kate, I have a question for you. Do you check the weather every day?
Oh my God, yes! Every morning. First thing.
Really?
Yeah, I need to know what to wear. If it's cold, I bring a jacket. If it's rainy, I bring an umbrella.
That's smart. I should do that more.
You don't check the weather, Martin?
Sometimes, but not every day. And then I regret it.
Huh. What happens?
Well, one time I didn't check. I went outside and it started raining. I had no umbrella. I got completely wet.
Oh no!
Yeah, it was bad. I was soaking wet.
Soaking wet. Ooh, that's a good phrase.
Yeah, it means totally wet. Every part of you. And how did you feel? Terrible. Cold, uncomfortable. And I was late to my meeting because I had to go home and change.
See? That's why you check the weather, Martin.
I know. Lesson learned.
Ha! Okay, so listeners, let me ask you something. Do you check the weather every day? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, we want to hear from you. Do you use a weather app? Do you watch the news or do you just look outside?
Tell us. We read all the comments.
We really do. Okay, Kate, so one more thing. Let's talk about seasons.
Ooh, yes, seasons.
Because weather changes with the seasons, right?
Right? In spring, it's usually warm and rainy.
Yeah, flowers start growing. Everything is fresh.
I love spring. It feels like a new beginning.
Me too. And in summer,
Summer is hot. Sometimes too hot.
yeah, but it's great for the beach. Or swimming.
True. I love summer evenings. It's warm, but not too hot. You can sit outside and just relax.
Perfect. And then fall comes.
Fall or autumn. Same thing.
Right. And in fall, it gets cooler. The leaves change color.
It's beautiful. Red, orange, yellow. So pretty.
Yeah, but it's also a little sad because you know winter is coming.
Ha! Winter. The cold one.
Yeah, winter. It's freezing. Sometimes it snows.
I don't mind winter, but only for a little while. Like, December is nice. January is okay. But by February, I'm done.
Ha! Yeah, February is too much.
I'm ready for spring again.
Same, Kate. Same. Okay, so listeners, here's a question for you. What's your favorite season and why?
Yeah, comment below. We want to know.
All right, Kate, I think we should start wrapping up.
Already? Time goes so fast when we talk.
I know, but we've covered a lot today.
We really have. We talked about why people talk about the weather,
We talked about weather expressions.
and we talked about how to use weather talk in real conversations.
Exactly. So listeners, we hope this was helpful for you.
Yeah. And remember, talking about the weather is easy. It's natural. Everyone does it.
So next time you meet someone, don't be shy. Say something about the weather.
Nice day, isn't it? Or cold today. Simple as that.
And if you enjoyed this podcast, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet.
Yeah, we make new episodes every day, and we're here to help you learn English in a fun, relaxed way.
Exactly. And share this with your friends who are learning English too.
Yes, share the love.
All right, Kate, any final words?
Just keep learning, everyone. You're doing amazing.
You really are. Every day you're getting better.
And we're here with you every step of the way.
All right, everyone, thank you so much for listening.
Thanks for being here.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.